Hi everybody, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's day 23rd of my vlogging. So today we will discuss about do I really believe I am worthy of it? क्या मैं एक्चुअल में बिलीव करता हूँ कि मैं उस चीज़ का वर्दी हूँ? अगर आपके पास ये बिलीव है तो आप डेफिनेटली यू कैन सक्सीड इन योर लाइफ. ओके, टू सम क्वेश्चंस आस्क फ्रॉम योरसेल्फ. आप अपने से क्वेश्चंस कर सकते हो. डू आई रियली ट्रस्ट दैट आई वुड बी एबल टू हैंडल इट? डू आई रियली बिलीव इट इज़ पॉसिबल फॉर मी? What insecurities do I currently have surrounding this? And what limiting beliefs are holding me back? I invite you to now to take a moment to think about just one thing that you want to manifest. See it clearly in your mind eyes and then spend a few minutes trying to identify what fears and doubt comes into your mind when you think about really having it. Try to identify as many as you can right then in the space below. इसमें क्या वो बोलते हैं, फ्रॉम नाउ कमिट टू प्रैक्टिसिंग अ ग्रेट लेवल of openness and gratitude when someone pays you a compliment. Take a moment to really hear that what they have said and respond instead with nothing but those who magical word thank you. When we open ourselves up to receiving expression of love or praise from other people, we stimulously begin to shift our subconscious feeling about what we deserve. This is such a simple and effective change to make, and it's one that I absolutely love. यूज़ मंत्रास. अब इसमें ये भी चीज़ है कि हमें यूज़ भी करने चाहिए, मंत्रास भी यूज़ करने चाहिए. उसमें ये भी बताया गया है ऑब्वियसली. Mantra is a word, phrase or sound that you can repeat aloud. To repeat aloud or in your heel at any time. So help gain awareness, release stress and raise your vibrant. So when I discuss the use of mantras in the context of manifesting, I am referring to use of positive affirmation such as I am worthy, I am healthy, I am wealthy, something like that. We can use mantra to send positive message to your subconscious mind and to replace a negative thoughts. For example, if your fear and doubt was beginning to voice itself as something like you are not good enough, okay, you can replace the thought with a mantra such as I am perfectly exactly as I am. मैं जैसा भी हूँ मैं बहुत परफेक्ट हूँ. इसकी जगह इंस्टेड ऑफ हमने ये कि मैं इतना अच्छा नहीं हूँ, मे बी तो मैं जैसा भी हूँ मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ. When we begin to incorporate mantras into your daily routine, for example by repeating them every morning or every night before bed, we can begin to reprogram our subconscious mind. हम सोने से पहले अगर सोने से बाद हम ये चीज़ें लाइक करें, ठीक है, तो हम रेगुलरली फीडिंग विद द पॉजिटिव एंड एम्पावरमेंट लैंग्वेज. Mantras are one of the main all-time favorite self-development tools, and incorporating them into my life has been an integral part of my own manifesting journey. Whenever I repeat a mantra out loud, so in our manifesting journey, whenever I repeat a mantra out loud or inside my head, I instantly feel more centered and empowered. When I first starting using mantras through, I found the experience really comforting. I felt both silly and embarrassed by saying to myself I am worthy, when at that time I didn't feel worthy at all. हम ये बोलते हैं, but I committed to the practice anyway because I knew that I was shifting something at the deeper level, the subconscious level, the level from which we manifest. Okay, within a couple of days of repeating these affirmation statements every morning when I woke up. आप जब भी उठते हो आपको ये affirmations बोलनी चाहिए. I was finding myself saying them more easily and without that awkward and unforgettable feeling. Within a week, I was really able to focus my attention on the words I was saying and feel my whole energy shift with it. Now I never go to a day without repeating a mantra of myself. I always repeat a couple of mantras to myself in the morning to start my day in the best possible way, and anytime I need an energetic boost. And अभी इन्होंने यहाँ पे इन्होंने बोला है कि एक एग्जाम्पल दी, ट्राई दिस, राइट डाउन अ मंत्रा समवेयर यू विल सी इन एवरी डे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एज योर फोन स्क्रीन सेवर or a note or a bathroom mirror. When you see it, repeat to yourself 5 times. I like to change my mantra once a week so that I give each one enough time to really let the message sink into myself. वो बिल्कुल सुपर ना जाए, बोल बोल के बोल बोल के बोल बोल के बोल बोल के। तो जब तक वो मेरे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में सेव नहीं हो जाता तो हम उतनी देर तक बोलना 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 बोलना, ठीक है। So here are the some mantras ideas to get you started. Choose 1 or 2 a week and repeat it 5 times every morning and every evening. As you read them now, repeat them to yourself. Couple of times I see yourself how quickly you can shift your energy. I love the person that I am today. आप ये बोल सकते I am love the person that I am today. And actually मैं तो बहुत प्यार करती हूँ कि मैं जैसी हूँ. I was very great. I am very blessed. I have limited potential. I have limitless potential. Limited की जगह limitless बोलना. I have. उसको अगर हम गलत बोले ना तो कैंसिल कर सकते हैं हम उसको, तो वो यूनिवर्स उसको कैंसिल कर देता है. तो I have a limitless potential. मेरे पास limitless क्यों? जिसका कोई नाप तोल ही नहीं है, कितना इतना पोटेंशियल है. I am grateful for all that I have. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा grateful हूँ जो भी मेरे पास है. I am very 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 grateful. I love my life. I feel calm and peace. I feel calm and peace. I radiate vitality and energy. I have infinite power to manifest anything I desire. मेरे पास इतनी पावर है कि मैं कुछ भी मैनिफेस्ट कर सकती हूँ, मैं कुछ भी अचीव कर सकती हूँ. I am consistently attracting abundance into my life. I am consistently attract abundance in my life. So one way that we can use mantra to reprogram our subconscious belief is to listen the positive affirmation track. ठीक है? Positive affirmation track is an extended audio track that repeats a number of mantras in a loop. Usually over meditative music, I recommend this tool to absolutely everyone I work with because affirmations are so powerful and so effective helping us to manifesting journey. So how do they work? Well, our subconscious अभी काम कैसे करते हैं आप लोग समझेंगे. Well, our subconscious is most susceptible to positive messaging at their significant points of the day, as we fall asleep, as we wake up, and when we are in the meditative state. This is because at these times our brain is responding right. जब हम सोने से पहले जब हम उठते हैं, जब हम कोई मेडिटेटिव ऐसे पॉइंट पे होते हैं तो तब भी बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब इफेक्टिव्स होती हैं. So between the frequencies of alpha and theta brain waves, the optimum frequency for visualization, creativity and learning. Listening to positive affirmation track at a specific time will allow your subconscious to most effectively absorb the positive messaging, and when you do this repeatedly, it forms new neural pathways in the brain that support a more empowered and therefore magnetic mindset. It will also help to override any negative and limiting belief driven by fear and doubt. Bye everybody. I hope आप सबको मेरी ये वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी होगी, and please like, subscribe and share my channel. Bye everybody.